Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are in Upper Marlboro, Maryland, checking out some new construction detached homes built by Stanley Martin. Let's check out this Lexington model. Welcome in. This home has the ability to be expanded all the way up to 5,500 square feet. You saw your formal living room. Here is your formal dining room, which is nicely staged. I love the paneling they have on the walls here. And welcome to your kitchen. So here we have a large, beautiful kitchen with shaker cabinets. You have your large sightway tile backsplash. The cabinets that do have the lighting underneath it, illuminating your backsplash here. Large island with quartz countertops and your stainless steel appliances. The home can be expanded to up to 5,500 square feet, so you have lots of living space in this particular model. And we're gonna check out the powder room before we go upstairs. So here's your powder room, and to the right of that will be the entrance to your two-car garage. You do also have a decent sized backyard here in the model. They have a stone paver with a fire pit built in. And here is your family room, which is oversized, plenty of space. And I'm a huge fan of this gorgeous fireplace. All right, welcome to the second level of the home, where you have 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and your laundry room. Here's your primary bedroom. Has a seating area with a smaller walk-in closet. Coming on this side, you have a extremely large walk-in closet. And here is your ensuite with double vanity sinks, nice soaking tub, and a shower and water closet. So the bedroom across from the primary has its own bathroom and it has a nice walk-in closet. And do you guys like this? I like the colors in this room. The orange and the blue typically wouldn't be my favorite together, but I actually kind of feel it here. Here is bedroom number 3. Also has a walk-in closet on this side. And this bedroom does have a Jack and Jill bathroom, so double vanity sink and a separate area for the toilet and the shower. Bedroom number 4, also spacious, also walk-in closet. We love walk-in closets, obviously. And then here is your laundry room on this floor. So there's an optional 4th level in the Lexington model that they're showing here. And this one does have a loft area as well as a full bathroom and a bedroom. All right, so welcome to the loft area. It's very large. Coming this way, you have your bedroom, which they have staged as an office. Coming back through the loft, on this side, of this level is where your full bathroom is located. And we're not done yet. You still got one more level to go. All right, and welcome to your recreation room. So this is the lower level in the home. You can see this is a very large recreation space. You have enough space to have a separate seating area or a secondary family room, table here and where I'm located, and a wet bar over there. Down here you do get a bedroom that also does have a nice sized closet. And this is also just a nice sized room in general. After you see the closet, I kind of want you guys to look over here and just to see how spacious this room is. It's huge, right? And you get a bathroom on this level as well. So here is your full bathroom. And behind you guys is the door to the utility closet, which is pretty big. So if this is your first time to my channel, I wanted to say thank you so much for coming. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more tours like this of homes in the DMV area. If you are a returning supporter, I appreciate your support once again. Please hit that like, share, leave a comment. And if you're looking to purchase or to sell in the DMV area, my name is Christian Givens. I'm your favorite DMV realtor. Grace and peace.